Obviously curiosity got hold of me, who has this domain name? That brought me to Seth.
I just wondered who this tattooed dude on WhatsApp was.
I think we both started with the same vision for the company, but with very different missions and approaches to what we were doing. When we bought modernmilkman.co.uk, the .com domain name had gone. Obviously curiosity got hold of me, who has this domain name? That brought me to Seth. Dropped a message on Instagram, I think it was, and said, hey, we share the same name, do you want to chat? And we started talking.
Ended up connecting through WhatsApp in 2019. I just always got a kick out of his accent. We were both going through COVID, and it was just like, hey, how you making out in England? How you making out in the US? What's happening?
We used to share war stories going through that and just help each other through challenging times. I'd say how to deal with significant increase in volumes. The UK business was looking at expanding outside the UK. We wanted to use the platform in other areas. We wanted to help farmers in other countries and produce in other countries to reach more consumers. So I flew out to meet Seth in, I think it was early 2023.
We showed him around Oak Ridge, and I think we became friends at that point.
So I met all his family. I think you were actually having a family barbecue that day, and I got invited. You were really welcoming, made me feel like a part of it. From that point onwards, we were friends. We started to define how we could work together. So we started running some of the processes that we use in the UK to grow the UK business, and they worked really well. Decided at that point it actually made sense to merge two businesses.
Saw the opportunity of, hey, they have the platform where they are already servicing customers, they have the sales arm, and we have the great quality milk. So how do we merge or marry each other to see if we can take our great quality milk and scale it to more?
So Modern Milkman UK bought Modern Milkman US from Oak Ridge. Seth fills a role of helping us find more producers, more suppliers, more farmers to work with in multiple states. So Seth is the exact partner we're looking for all across the country, and has really allowed us to thrive in the US. Have you seen Seth's fingers? A cow bit him.
Yeah, don't get close to cows. No, I was tubing.
Daddy, I've had a crazy dream. Seth's fingers grew back.